This video was filmed on board the MSC Meraviglia in January. It was freezing and really windy up there. In a couple of these places you can see the ropes course literally shaking. It was terrifying, it was so much fun, I'm glad that we did it. Please leave me a comment letting me know if you'd ever tried this ropes course. I don't know if I'd do it again, honestly, it was really scary, but keep watching this video and we can virtually do the course together.
Okay, this is good. Getting there. You feel like you're going like
just in case.
Hi Emma. How you doing? You going hard route? Oh, ho, ho. Looking good, Emma. Beautiful view. Oh, which one are you gonna go for? Which one are you gonna go for? You gonna go for that one? Like the look of that. I'll go for it. Go for it. Oh, that looks mad. Woo. I'm coming after you, Emma. It's such a great view.
I can't tell which one's the easy and which one's the hard part.
Well, I feel like this one was the harder one.
Yeah, I think that's easier.
Well, I went across that one because I thought that one.
Let's go for it. Oh. I'm going for it. Where else are you? I'm supposed to be filming with him. It's fine. Having a good time. Looking good, Emma.
This is so much harder than I thought it would be.
I thought I'd be scared and I'm not, so it's quite nice.
I'm scared.
It's reassuring.
Wait, I'm gonna...
Is that a nice one, Matt?
Yeah.
Is that a nice one? Ooh, which way? Oh, I want to try that one. That one looks insane.
How are you supposed to do that?
I have no idea. There's no like straight line to walk across.
Go, Matt.
Go for it, Matt. Easy or hard, Emma?
They're both hard.
I don't know, that way you've just got like two hands and...
When both my legs go open.
Who's gonna win this race? It's Emma versus Matt. Ooh. Oh, this one is effort. Oh.
You look much happier than
Well, I thought I'd be terrified and I'm actually not, and I think it's, I don't know. Maybe I just have no sense of mortality or something. This is incredibly painful right now. Oh! Oh!
This one's got to be fun, right?
I feel like Matt's chosen a harder. Oh, wow.
Right, we're nearly back.
How many ways around can we go? Can we go like...
halfway.
Oh, I've just turned up my thigh ones. That feels a bit better.
I like this
Ooh. I've only done like this one, like this. Right, I'm coming round.
Finita la pipa.
wow.
Both of these look fun.
That looks cool.
That one looks fun.
I feel like that one has got to be weirder than it looks. My arms ache after doing the other one earlier, so I don't know if I want another arm one.
Yeah, I don't think my arm can do. So I tried this one.
Do it. Is it too easy for you? Do you want me to give it a bit of a wobble? Oh, that one is a bit...
That's hard, that one.
It's just to get caught in so many of the other ropes. Ooh.
These ones open your legs in your
I'm going to try that one, because I didn't try the one that was like that earlier. Oh, this looks a bit interesting. Oh, oh. Emma, this one is horrible. This one is officially like the worst. Which one are you debating? Ooh, hexagons looks worse. Okay, apparently Matt can just do the hexagon. Oh, it's okay. Hello.
Yeah, well, this one's the pooper.
Yeah, you're right there.
It's like round the neck.
Yeah.
Ropes courses are just one of the really cool things you can do on board cruise ships. On this cruise I also tried the water slides, which were absolutely freezing because we cruised in January, but if you haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out. If you're new here too, please consider subscribing. I bring you new videos every single week. I do first time cruise tips, I do ship tours, cabin tours and cruise vlogs, so please subscribe and I will see you in the next video.